In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up an employer non-elective contribution deduction in Edu-Met. Log into Edu-Met. Go to the payroll, select the current year. Navigate to Control Table. Click on Deduction. On the deduction screen, click Add. Set the code, and add description employer non-elective contribution. Set the type to percentage of net. Select radio button A for deduct after taxes. Select checkbox Federal and FICA. Make sure the identifier is set to Other. Press Tab until you exit the row to save the deduction. In this example, we created Deduction 12E Employer Non-Elective Contribution. Exit the deduction screen. Go to Payroll Database. Bring up the employee who will be using this deduction. Open the Pay Rates screen. Set the status to Inactive, and click Exit. Open Federal Tax screen. Set Federal Tax status to Off, Medicare status to Off, FICA status to Off, and it is also recommended to set Take Extra Tax on Extra Pay to No. Then, click Exit. Next, open State Tax screen. Leave State Tax status to On, and set Sway Tax to Off. It is also recommended to set Take Extra Tax on Extra Pay to No. Then, click Exit. Return to the Pay Rates screen, and click Add. A message will appear indicating that the status is inactive. Click OK. Select the appropriate account from the list of values. Press Tab until you reach the Amount field, and enter the amount. Then configure Type, set to All Deduction. Check is set to 2. Select the appropriate earning code. Click Exit. Open the deduction screen for the employee, and click Add. Select the employer non-elective contribution deduction that was created earlier. Enter 100% for the amount or percent field. Press Tab to exit and save the row. Since this is the only deduction being used for this payment, set all other employee deductions to inactive. Next, open Online Checks. Select the Extra Pay check option. Check Include Banking, and leave Include Next Pay check unchecked. Click Preview to review the details. In this example, gross pay is $50,000, total deductions are $50,000, and the only tax applied is state tax. Scroll down to verify the employer non-elective contribution after tax deduction. If everything looks correct, click Print Check Statement. This creates the employee's direct deposit statement. Now, click Exit. Finally, open the employee's history screen. The check should appear with the hand check type. You can review the employer non-elective contribution here. Then click the Taxes tab. You should see that federal, Medicare, and FICA tax and wages are 0, while only the applicable state tax and wages has been calculated. Once the deduction has been processed, you can then disperse the funds to Plan Connect or any other retirement agency you use. This completes the setup of an employer non-elective contribution deduction in Edu-Met. Thank you for watching.